If you've ever managed a retail team, from floor associates and cashiers to stockroom managers, you know how quickly things can get chaotic. Between onboarding new employees, juggling shift swaps, coordinating multi-store layouts, and managing constant communication, operations can fall out of sync fast. To solve your retail business operations, you should check out Connecteam. It's a mobile-first workforce management app designed for the deskless retail workforce, the people who spend their day on the sales floor, in the warehouse, or traveling between different store locations. With Connecteam, you can handle time tracking, scheduling, HR tasks, and team communication, all in one spot. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how Connecteam brings structure, clarity, and efficiency to the daily operations of the modern retail industry. Connecteam creates a flawless system by organizing its features into three core sections, which they call hubs: the Operations Hub, Communications Hub, and HR and Skills Hub. Communication is often the biggest challenge for retail teams that are spread across different floor sections or separate store branches. Instead of juggling scattered messages about inventory changes or promotional updates across different tools, Connecteam removes these roadblocks by centralizing your operations into one streamlined app. The chat feature allows employees to instantly share stockroom updates, photos of new window displays, or customer feedback right from their mobile app. Another crucial part is the Updates feature, which allows store managers to make important announcements and ensure they are actually seen. You can even add a button for employees to confirm they have seen the update once they open the app. You can post company-wide updates, new safety protocols, or flash sale alerts to a central feed, and then send them out to your floor team using push notifications to make sure they are notified straight on their phone before they even clock in. Building on that strong communication, the Operations Hub manages and monitors employee activity on the ground. The platform's features are designed to solve the real, everyday challenges of running a deskless retail workforce. Let's start with the Time Clock feature. Tracking work hours often becomes a major pain point for seasonal staff and part-time associates. Connecteam eliminates that hassle with a built-in time clock. This allows employees to easily clock in and out from their mobile device the moment they arrive at the storefront or warehouse. It even includes location verification using GPS to make sure employees can only clock in when they are physically on site, removing the possibility of time theft. It also helps prevent buddy punching, so employees can't clock in for someone else. Managers get a real-time overview of who's currently clocked in across all retail locations, making it easier to manage shifts and staffing levels during busy store hours. A really helpful aspect is that you can export those timesheets straight to top payroll providers like ADP and Paychex. To help you stay on top of labor laws during busy holiday seasons, they've included automated overtime calculations, break tracking for long shifts, and real-time alerts for compliance issues. Scheduling is another common bottleneck in retail logistics, and Connecteam works to avoid overlaps. Managers can assign shifts precisely, avoid conflicts by taking employee PTO unavailability into account, and maintain fairness across their mobile teams. They even have an AI-powered scheduling feature that can instantly assign shifts while considering associate availability, specific roles, fairness, and qualifications with expert precision within a matter of seconds. There is an option to set up open-to-claim shifts as well for employees. You can copy previous week's schedule as well, or scheduling templates. For those times when unexpected stock shipments arrive or urgent floor resets are needed, a feature called Quick Tasks allows managers to assign and track them instantly. Managers get a real-time overview of everything happening across all their retail locations. In any retail organization, especially one with a high turnover deskless workforce, employee engagement and HR tasks such as onboarding and training can become really tough challenges. This is exactly where Connecteam's HR and Skills Hub makes a real difference. The Courses feature turns onboarding and training into an ongoing learning experience. Managers can track employee progress on topics like POS systems, product knowledge, and customer service standards, all through mobile-friendly courses employees can complete right from their phones. They also address employee engagement with recognition tools like rewards and celebrations. This tackles one of the biggest issues in retail, feeling like just a number, by acknowledging milestones and sales contributions publicly. Time off management is another area that gets simplified by replacing messy manual tracking with an automated, transparent system, which helps prevent scheduling crashes during peak shopping seasons. Recently, Connecteam has taken a major leap forward by adding AI to its feature lineup. This includes the AI agent, which lets associates get instant answers about return policies or product specifications without needing to search through physical binders. The AI-powered scheduling optimizes retail shifts automatically, while the AI course creator generates training content and product knowledge quizzes in seconds. They also have file-to-form automation, which converts paper delivery invoices into ready-to-use digital forms, and smart voice input, which lets warehouse staff fill out inventory reports hands-free. On top of that, AI Updates and Translate ensures that store-wide messages reach multilingual teams in their preferred language. Connecteam's mobile app gives both associates and managers everything they need right from their smartphones. It provides a full-featured, mobile-first, user-friendly experience that allows teams to track time, manage floor schedules, communicate instantly, and even handle HR tasks all from one app. This means employees can stay connected, share display updates in real time, and complete tasks efficiently without ever needing to leave the sales floor. From submitting store opening checklists to checking schedule updates or managing time off, everything happens seamlessly right in the palm of your hand. This helps retail operations stay smooth, allows communication to flow effortlessly, and keeps employees engaged and productive. You might be thinking that with so many features, Connecteam must cost a lot, but their plans offer something for everyone.
Connecteam also offers flexible pricing depending on the hub and plan you choose, so there's an option to customize your plan according to your business needs, and they have a flat fee for up to 30 users.
You can try it out with a 14-day free trial or schedule a demo to see how it works using the link in the description. They even offer a free plan for small businesses with up to 10 users. Whether you're a small local boutique or a larger retail chain with multiple outlets, it offers specific tiers with individual pricing to suit your scale. The best part is that Connecteam doesn't ask you to commit immediately. This lets you explore all the features at your own pace and really see how the platform works for your retail crew before you have to make any decisions. Thanks to its flexible pricing and generous free plan, Connecteam is a great option for small and mid-sized retail businesses looking to easily digitalize their operations. If you want to streamline scheduling, communication, training, and time tracking all in one platform, Connecteam is definitely worth exploring. Check the link in the description to learn more about its features or get started right away by scanning the QR code on your screen. If you've tried Connecteam, let us know about your experience in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.